Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to try something new, something which might be very much useful for all the job seekers, students, and experienced professionals as well. I'm going to use ChatGPT to build a complete portfolio website in less than 5 minutes, and I'm not going to give any details. I'm not going to customize anything. I just ask ChatGPT to provide me a portfolio website code based on what ChatGPT knew about me, and maybe I will provide maybe some basic details. That's it. Let's try asking ChatGPT. You can do it in a few free version as well. Like just follow the prompt style that I'm going to give. I'm going to ask ChatGPT, help me create a portfolio website uh, using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in a single HTML file. I'm not going to give much details, just a few, like my name, Yaswanth, Palaghat, city, Hyderabad, and based on what have you have know about me, provide the portfolio website code. So I'm asking ChatGPT to provide me a code for portfolio website, and I'm not going to give anything except my name and city. And based on what ChatGPT already know about me, I want it. Like I'm just asking it. I'm just clicking it. That's it. Let's see what ChatGPT has in store for me. You can try to view this HTML in anywhere. Like uh, just search for online HTML viewer. You will find many websites. Just open one. If you want to host that as a portfolio, there are many different ways as well. I will show that, but before that, let's wait for like what ChatGPT will give. Let's see it. It's drafting the code in the backend. Yeah, I think it's done. So it took around like 47 seconds to give me the complete code. It's generating the code. Let's see. We can customize it as much as we can, because we can directly ask ChatGPT to edit this or to add this and all. I'm just copying this. This is a HTML previewer. You can just copy the code on left side and you will get. So this is good. But now what I want is, like, I want more professional look. So this is good. Like, this is a simple portfolio website. I'm good with that. But I want a more professional, colorful look. Make it more stylish by adding colors. That's it. I'm just asking it to add more colors to make it look stylish. See, this is very simple thing. Like anyone can do it. If can use ChatGPT wisely, there are n number of things that we can do, and this is one such thing where like it doesn't need any effort. The other output, like, it took around like only 11 seconds. Now it's done, and I just copy it again and pasting it here. Now this is somewhat colorful. So if you feel like you have more projects, you have more experience, or you can just upload your resume and ask ChatGPT to customize it according to your resume, it will do that as well. Now if you can ask me how to publish this as a website or how others can see it, there are a number of ways as well. The first thing is through GitHub pages. So this is something that I will suggest. But other easy thing is just open blogger.com. In blogger.com, like, anyone can create a blog for free, and just click new post. Here there are two options, like HTML view and compose view. In the HTML view, just paste your HTML code. So if you can give some title and publish it, you can say it. Other way that I have suggested is by using GitHub. In GitHub, just create an account on GitHub. Just click new. All you have to do is like just give the repository name based on your name. Like I'm giving Yaswanth, maybe Yaswanth Sai Palaghat dot github.io. So you need to give something like this, and when you click create repository, it will ask you to upload your HTML file or add that HTML code. Then that's it. Anyone with this URL can access your portfolio. So this is how you can actually create a portfolio website using ChatGPT in less than 5 minutes. I hope you found this helpful. And yeah, you can ask any cross questions to ChatGPT and ask it to come up with new versions or add more details about you by giving your details, uploading your resume, adding links and all. You can customize it according to your view, but it took less than 5 minutes, right? Maybe if you want that to be full-fledged one, like it might take around like 15 minutes. That's it. I hope you found this helpful. If you're a new visitor to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel for more such amazing content on AI. Thank you.